Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 18-20 Highland Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, beautifully updated with fresh paint, newer stainless steel appliances, newer flooring, hardwoods, and much more. So we're going to start our walkthrough immediately as you're coming through the rear entryway. To your left will house the kitchen area. And the kitchen area houses a tile flooring throughout. It looks great. You've got lots of cabinet space down below and above. Lots of countertop space too, with these new granite countertops. All stainless steel kitchen appliances. This includes the built-in stainless steel microwave, 4-burner stainless steel stove and oven. You've got the single bin stainless steel sink. And across from that, the medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator. And as you can see, you also have in-unit laundry housed in your kitchen area as well. Very nice, always a great benefit to have. Again, you'll see the fresh paint, it looks awesome, and you'll notice it throughout each and every room. Some nice bright lighting, lots of windows for natural lighting. Just a nice, beautiful kitchen area. Here's on this side over here. Cool. So yeah, that's your main kitchen area. Coming through the rear entryway, if you go immediately right, you'll first enter into your double parlor over here. So, double parlor houses hardwood floors, they look great. Lots of space in here, again, some bright natural lighting through all these windows. And of course, with it being a double parlor, just a lot of open room, lots of outlets too, so you got plenty of spots for an entertainment system, TV, whatever you like to hook up. Perfect for any size sofa. But yeah, like I said, just a lot of opportunity in here. So that's this side of the double parlor. We'll go further in and show off the other side. And gorgeous hardwood flooring. There is your front entryway to the unit. Awesome. Okay, so in the double parlor houses 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So we'll just check out the bathroom first, since it's all the way near the front entryway. Gorgeous tile flooring once again. Beautiful tub with a new tile walling throughout. Very decorative. It looks awesome. And further in, of course, you have the toilet, and across from that, just a nice little sink area, a couple of cabinets underneath, and the small mirror vanity up above. Awesome, awesome. So that's your bathroom. And as you saw, you do have baseboard heat throughout the unit as well. All right. Now we'll check out the first of 4 bedrooms. Again, these 2 bedrooms are housed in your double parlor. But again, gorgeous hardwood flooring, fresh paint, window for some natural lighting, perfect for a standard to full bed set. I would say the 2 first floor bedrooms, because this is a 2-floor unit, these 2 first floor bedrooms are perfect for a standard to full size. The upstairs ones, you could maybe swing a queen, but just to show off too, this bedroom's got a nice open closet space, lots of storage opportunity. All right. Here is your second bedroom. Basically the same exact features as the first that you looked at. Fresh paint, hardwoods, its own closet space, a couple of outlets, perfect for standard to full size. All right, so right next to the rear, this is your rear entryway. So right next to that are the stairs that lead to your second floor. As you can see, the second floor entirely houses carpet flooring, but immediately coming up the stairs, this is your 3rd bedroom. And I would say these 2 second floor bedrooms are a little bit roomier than the first floors. Just only thing to be aware of are the slanted ceilings. But again, good amount of room for up to standard, full, even queen size bed sets could probably work. You do have a closet space over there in the corner. But again, these 2 second floor bedrooms, I could see probably working with a queen size bed. Cool. So that's your 3rd bedroom. Before we check out the 4th bedroom, the second floor has kind of like this open layout room right here. You could end up using this as maybe another living space or just like a common area for guests. But it's just really wide open, lots of opportunity once again. Fresh paint, beautiful lighting. Very nice. All right, last but not least is the 4th bedroom. So right through here, This is your fourth and final bedroom. Again, carpet, flooring, fresh paint. Standard full-size bed sets are probably best, but again, with these second floors, you could potentially do with a queen. All right. So once again, this is 18-20 Highland Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on there as well. Thank you very much.